Hello and welcome back. Today in this video we are going to know more about Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller board because we are going to do a couple of projects in our upcoming videos using this microcontroller board and some of the sensors which we talked earlier. It has a processor 80 mega 328, it has RAM 2 kilobyte, it has flash memory 32 KB and it has a clock speed. Since it's a processor, it can process data in like 16 megahertz. That's the speed. So why we are using? Because it's beginners friendly, open source and affordable, easy to do the programming because it has Arduino IDE. So Arduino is like you can easily write the C++ code using the USB port. You can upload this sketch to the program to your board, and it's ready to use since it has like the USB and it's easy to connect with your laptop or PC. Power flexibility. It can support multiple powers like between I would suggest 6 to 12 volt. That's the safe power. Compact and portable is like 2 inches by 2 inches, that kind of size. It's really durable. You can play as long as you want with this one with your sensors when you're beginners, and it has a detachable microcontroller chip. So if something is happening or if you are breaking the microcontroller chip, that's the black one, the caterpillar look like, you can replace that one and you are good to go with the same board.